guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, then hello, my name is Sheree Elise. Thank you for clicking on this video. So let's just go ahead and hop into this. I'm a little late getting this video up for you guys, but I'm pretty sure you guys want to know what I received in my December Boxyluxe. So here's the box right here. This is what the inside of the box looks like. And the theme for this month with Boxycharm was whimsy, right there. And I have variation number 11. So let's go ahead and get started and find out what I received. So the very first thing I'm gonna pull out is this Elemis Pro-Collagen Rose Facial Oil. It's a soothing facial oil for fine lines, wrinkles, it has water cap, English rose, nourishes, soothes, and smooths. That just was horrible. Okay, so this is an anti-aging rose serum. This is what the packaging looks like. Mine came already kind of dingy, my box. So we're gonna pull this out. So this is what the packaging looks like. I love that packaging. It is a little bit small, on the small side, but I do love this. I've been using this during the nighttime. I started using this in my skincare routine at night. In the daytime, I use the pineapple serum still. I'm almost actually done with that one, and I love it so much. I feel like it's definitely helped my spots a lot. Sorry guys if my hair looks crazy. Okay, speaking of hair, I also have this Daily Concepts Your Hair Towel wrap, and it has all these like little pictures down here. So this is one of those like, I think one of those like fiber towels or something like that. Something you pretty much can put on your hair instead of a towel. So this is great. I love how that like wraps on your hair like that. So I'm excited to use this, and mine is in a baby pink color. I'm not sure if they come in different colors. Next, I did receive the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types. It's rich in amino acids, gently cleanses the face and eyes. Yes, so that's what this packaging looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Pull this out. That's the cleanser. So I have already used this cleanser. I'm not all about it. You know, I am gonna use this up though, because it is good for the face and eyes. And like days like today, I can use this all over my whole face and not have to worry about anything. So I am excited to use this every time I wear makeup for sure. Okay, so next is this Ciatè London. So next is this Ciatè London Confetti highlighter. So this is what this packaging looks like. It's really cute. And then I have this right here on the inside. Oh, it's kind of like messed up, you know, because like I said, I pulled everything out already to check it out. So this is what that looks like, and on the back it says confetti. So we're gonna open that up, and this is what that looks like. Really cute. So I am pretty excited to use this. I have quite a bit of highlighters already, but I was very excited that I did get this, and I did want that. Next thing I'm pulling out is this Greengrass Dry Oil Spray. And it's in the fragrance Beach Air. And I actually love this, guys. I've actually started using it. You can tell up there. So I started using this already. And this smells really good. I'm actually going to use some right now with you guys. Now, you're supposed to put it on your hands and like rub it on, which works really great. But I don't feel like getting it on my hands because I got to show you guys the rest of the product, but it smells so good. I love the scent of this. Love how shiny it makes my curls. Now, I don't know if you guys can even tell on camera if it gave me any more shine or not, but it's amazing. It definitely does for me. gives me shine. So yeah, I love that I got this in here. The next product I did receive in my Boxyluxe this month was this In Beauty project, and this is their Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. And so this helps to set your makeup, energize and revive the skin, filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. So it gives a glow, hydrate, and energize. So those are the claims for this. I'm gonna actually spray some right now. It has like a really, like an energized smell. I know that sounds weird, but it has like an energizing, is that even, yeah, okay, it is. Energizing type of scent. It smells really good. So yes, let's move on to the next item I have. So I have this Too Faced Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss in the shade Crazy Rich. So that's that. And it's in the shade Crazy Rich. And I'm slowly getting used to this gloss. But here's the packaging. Really pretty packaging. And there's the color. It's really nice. So I'm gonna swatch this on my hand for you guys. I don't know if you got a good glimpse of it, but there's that. So that's that shade, and I'm not really all in it because it has like a little bit too much shimmer for me. I'm gonna pop some on though. I am gonna use this up though, but I'm gonna it's gonna take me forever to use this up because I'm not into like the shimmery, glittery kind of lip stuff. So yeah. Next product, this is actually one of the items that I did choose. Actually, this first product I showed you guys, these two were my two items of choice for my Boxyluxe this month. This Elemis facial oil I already showed you guys, and this right here from that brand Cosmedix, and this is what it looks like. And so this is a facial roller for like when you apply like oils on your skin, you can like roll it, like kind of roll it into your pores, I'm assuming. I have to read more into it, but all I know is I was like, since I still haven't brought a jade roller, I saw this facial roller and I was like, oh yes, I'm getting the face oil, might as well get the facial roller with it. So that's what I did choose as well. This is the last product that I received in my box, and it's from the brand Storybook Cosmetics. And so it says Family Tales and Storybook Cosmetics, and so it looks exactly like a book all the way around. So it's really cool. So we're gonna open this up. So it does actually come with a mirror, so I won't blind you guys. This is what it looks like. So these are like gorgeous shades. I'm gonna actually turn it the right way for you guys. But these are the shades right here. They look amazing. Like I can't wait to use like this one, like all these really, to be honest. They look so nice. I can't wait to make different kind of looks with this. I feel like you can make so many looks with this. So I'm really excited. I feel like the only thing this palette lacks is some neutral transition shades. I feel like this is the only one close to neutral, and it's kind of on the light side. So I feel like these two you probably can use as a transition shade, maybe even that one. But you know, it's not no neutral colors like brown or anything, like a light brown. So yeah, other than that, I love this. So I love everything I received in my Boxyluxe for this month. I'm gonna say this was probably the only thing I could have got something else, or did. I actually wanted the other type of lip product, like it was by Too Faced as well, I think. But I wanted something like that because I never had one of those before. I mean, I never had one of these before, but the glittery, shimmery thing was like, no. But yeah, it's okay. I'm gonna pull it off. I'm gonna use it up. So that is everything, guys. I will have the total retail value on the screen as well for you guys, as well as the link to Boxycharm for those of you who are not familiar with Boxycharm and want to see more information about it. I will link that information down below. Let me know what products were you guys excited about that I got that you felt like was a really great thing to receive this month. And also, if you do receive this box as well, let me know what we got that you received as well, like what we both received as well in the same box or not. But yeah, guys, that is the end of this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you found this video helpful in some way, or just simply enjoyed watching me unbox my December Boxyluxe, then don't forget to hit that thumbs up button before you go. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, you may want to consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload from me. You all have a wonderful day or night, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.